You know, whenever we hold one of our live online baking classes, we like to add a bit of excitement by giving away some fun stuff. Typically, the giveaway includes one of my recent books, and someone else usually gets one of our Pie Academy totes. Our totes are extra special because, at least for now, we don't sell them in our store. You can only win one by attending one of our classes. Now, this coming weekend for our peach pie class, we're upping the ante and giving away the exact slab pie pan that I use and recommend for the peach lattice slab pie we're going to make in class. Well, not the exact pan. We're going to ship you a brand new one. You know, I've used all sorts of sheet pans over the years to make slab pies, so I can say with certainty that this is my pan of choice. It's the perfect size for a slab pie. Not too big and not too small. You get a good 12 to 15 servings from it. It's just right for a crowd. Now, the sides are the ideal height too. A lot of jelly roll pans like this one are too shallow for a slab pie. And this pan is durable as all get out. It'll hold up to years of heavy use and just get better with age. I'll put a link to the pan below this video, but if you're feeling lucky and you want to join us this weekend, we'd love to see you there. And while you're here, you can see all about the peach pie class in the video below. Take care and have a great day.